guys, Scott at Miller Marine. We're going to do a weekly recap of what we had going on this whole week. We had this little skiff in, did a jack plate replaced and put all new LED lights in it. And now next week we're actually going to put a new 9-inch Simrad in it on a gimbal mount for. So that one will be done next week. This one we had in last week, and this week we did, it's a little 13-foot Boston whaler. We did a full rewire job, serviced the motor on it. We did one of our custom switch panels in it with a little Boston Whaler logo. And then we also installed a live well system for him because he wants to do some live bait fishing on this skiff. And then we did a full tune-up on the motor plus a carb job. This one's one of our rental boats from one of our clients, Will Polar, had a fuel tank sender issue that we resealed. And next week we're actually going to rewire the boat for him, so there's no issues on that. This one was in for a power pole install that we did. Put a brand new 8-foot blade on it. Came out really nice, really slick. We're able to run the rigging inside here. And mounted the pump back down in the corner there. And we also replaced his live well pump. It was burned out, so we got that working for him. We had the Monroe County Sheriff's Office boat in today for this week. Replaced all the nav lights, the trim tab that was about falling off. We had this one in this week as well. We did a tune-up on the motors, oil change, and gear lube, and we also replaced the shift and throttle cables for them. One of them broke on them while he was out in the water. We were able to take care of them, pulled them out on our shop trailer. This one will go back in the water after it's fully detailed. Last but not least, this Andros is in for a little tune-up. We're going to do a full service on the motors here next coming week. We're going to gut the console out, remove the batteries and relocate them, run new battery cables to the motors. We're having a starting issue on this boat, and then just do some little fine-tuning in it. We're going to move some stuff around to make the console a little bit more functional for the customer and for us to work on the boat. Probably even have the boat detailed while it's out. So that's our week here at Miller Marine. Thanks, guys.